Not again. The longhouse sleeps, the fire burns low. Snow on the roof in a moonlit glow. I lie like a shieldmaiden, eyes open wide. Then you breathe like a war drum beside. The rafters shake, the bench dogs run. My dreams get split by a roaring sun. One breath, one quake, one thunderfall, and the night turns into a meat-hole brawl. I swear the ravens circle near, thinking battle's finally here. Even the wolves along the fjord are filing noise, call the noise to the Lord. You snore loud, it reaches Valhalla, and sits up and starts to holler. Who breaks my heart with a stormy call? It's you, my love, you're the loudest of all. You snore like thunder, mountains laughter, by frost rattles the morning after. If the gods are awake, it's not my fault. You snore so loud it reaches Valhalla. You snore so loud it reaches Valhalla. I try to pillow like a soft restraint. I tried sweet words, I tried not to faint. I nudged your shoulder, gentle as spring. You answered with a dragon wing. The Valkyries lean from the shining height, covering ears in the northern light. Freya's side, girl, you're strong and brave, but that man's breath is a tidal wave. I prayed to silence, prayed to calm, lit a little rune for balm. But every time the moon turns pale, your snore sets every sail. You're so loud it reaches Valhalla, and sits up and starts to holler. Who breaks my heart with a stormy call? It's you, my love, you're the loudest of all. You snore like thunder, a mountain's laughter, by frost rattles the morning after. If the gods are awake, it's not my fault. You snore so loud it reaches Valhalla. Listen, I love your laugh, your steady hand, your brave, warm heart, my chosen man. But when you sleep, you start a war, and my patience hits the floor.